So in a twist for Motorcycle Live being about motorcycles and all things two wheels, what we're going to do is have a look at something a little bit different because it's got four wheels. So check these out. These are called Microlino, and they were debuted at EICMA. How funky is that? So this is being touted as like a twist from having your standard two-car household. If you need just something little as a second car, but you do need a second car, you can pick these up for, I think it's 18 grand. So less than 20 grand. You can put like price of a half decent top-end motorcycle. Really, you can have something that's got four wheels. And even on their marketing information, they tout it as being enough space for two people and 3 cases of beer. So have a look at where the 3 big cases of beer go. Into the back there. Look at that. I'm just going to be straight through. That's how the interior looks. But to open it and get in, up front is your door. So you open up the front end to get in. And you can just step in. How cool is that? The headlights are onto the wing mirrors to slim up that front end. So it looks a little bit froggy. But in the world of motorcycling, we like things to be custom. So have a look at this. Straight over on the Crazy Horse stand, they've got one in matte black with pinstriping on that mirror. And leopard print interior. And then to top it off, we have got a fantastic gold sparkle roof to the top. How mental is that? Handily enough, there's an Indian here. With the same leopard print interior. As a Microlino. How cool is that? Doing Crazy Horse on the steering wheel. I see that subtle leopard print tether to shut the door. So the Transalp's had a bit of a facelift for 2025, so we're going to go and have a look at that now.